Now I don't need to win. I don't need to have people agree with me. My truth is held within me, and I offer it if people want it. But if they don't, I know it's their loss, it's not mine. It's not mine. I can still enjoy it because, again, it's the indwelling Spirit. We, as Paul says in Romans 8, we do not know how to pray. We don't. The Spirit prays in us through groans unutterable, through feelings that we didn't even know we had, and thoughts. I mean, my best sermons, I preach just when I give them. I didn't think about it ahead of time. You understand? They come just there. If and when I can remain in the flow. But the secret is always to stay in the flow. And then your gift comes naturally.